A lot of volatility coming in here in the past few days for Tesla, but finally we had a breach of this upper trend line in here with a hold. That's what we're looking for. Even though we did in red on the day around 481, we are still holding that 480 upper trend line of this overall structure. So we're going to see if this is going to be a complete confirmation going into this next week's opening candle, confirmation of a hold in here of a breakout, and then we can adjust our trend lines accordingly. Now, if this is our first support right here at this 480s, then anything below there, we're looking at the 470, and then all the way down here, right around this 464 area for our next supports. To the upside on the resistance, well, since we are trading at 481 right now, we're going to be looking at that 490 level, and then up here at these all-time highs, sitting at 495.28. That is what we're chalking up as our resistances until our chart tells us something different. Now, as far as our RSI in here goes, we're looking at an RSI of around 61. Your 50-day SMA is about 9% off. Your 20-day, 200-day SMA is about 37% off of these highs in here. Resistances, you're going to be looking at 495 and 510, and you have right around a $90 expected move priced in by the next 30 days with 4% volatility. So overall, let's see what kind of moves we get in here. A nice, strong bullish trend has been holding in here for the past 3 weeks or so. So let's see if we can continue to hold this. If we do end up having to kind of consolidate up here, we would like it to be in that 485 to 490 range for some consolidation, and then we can work our way up on that next leg higher. But if we do end up having to pull back a little bit below that 480, then we're going to be looking at that 465 area for some nice footing. As far as our implied volatility, we just mentioned that there's like 4% volatility, but our IB rank is sitting only at 6 right now. So $20 expected move coming up by this Friday on a shortened week. So let's see what kind of actions we get in our overall net flows, in our overall options chains. And let's see if we can continue this grind higher that we've been working on here for the past month or so. So all in all, what are we looking at for Tesla? Well, we're going to be watching that 495 area, which is that all-time highs. To the downside, we're going to be looking at that 465, but we're going to tighten that up in there. We're going to be looking at 475, and then we're looking at that 490 range for your immediate resistances and supports. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.